Who would miss school on a day like this? Now today I've got to participate in some arts, athletics, activities, and academics. And by participating in these forays, I am guaranteed to be successful at them. Just gonna be another great day. Hey, Mr. Rooney, how's it going?
Hey, Ferris, how are you today?
Doing great.
That's nice.
Good to see you.
Bueller? Bueller? Bueller?
Air.
Fry? 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 Alright, class. Now we have a pop quiz.
Wow, guys. I'm doing really well. It's pretty easy, you know, just basic math. Not bad. Now it's time for art class.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Come on, baby, now. Come on and work it on out. Work it on out. You know you twist it, little girl. You know you twist so fine.
I really love painting, but now I gotta go to practice.
And let me know that you're mine.
Sometimes people run kind of fast. If you don't stop to watch them go by every once in a while, you might miss them. Hey, Flo.
Hey, are you going to the car wash?
Oh, I'm late. Man, I love being involved. So, let's do a quick recap on what we've learned today. By participating in the arts, athletics, activities, and academics, you are bound to be successful at Beckman. Now, I'm off to go to a parade. I'll see you guys later.